Okay, you guys, I got a great idea for you that just came across. My mind wise is really kicking in. Apparently, I'm taking more of it. uh, Remember the video from Chapter 7 that we got to watch on Thursday, just yesterday, about the 3 items in somebody's household to bring to their the class to look up and to read off the top 5 ingredients and research them and what they're putting on themselves. My thought is to, if you happen to have any of those type of items still around that are chemical based, no judgments here, that you still have around, because I gotta find some now because I've thrown everything out. Um, Take those items, look on the 5 top ingredients, research out the names and the what they're used for, the cautionary, everything about the top 5 names, and then take your product of whatever you use Young Living wise that you've taken and replace that and do, this is what I used to use, and this is all the 5 different ingredients, and the list off the first ingredient, all of its content and what it does to you, second all the way down to the 5th one, and then let them know, and this is what I replaced it with and how much it cost and all the positive benefits of it. Maybe a 5 or 10-minute video, but you're educating them on their household products that they're currently purchasing at their house. They're probably going to go into there and look at it themselves. And then when you're uploading it onto your YouTube channel, in your description thing, you can even put in the PubMed for them to research it out even further. If you don't learn from this from me and you want to learn it more, check out the description below and research it out yourself. And that's a great educational tool that you can do maybe 1 a week or 2 a week or whatever, but upload it onto your YouTube and then post it on your main Facebook page, any social media, and definitely enter a game plan so we can learn and help each other. So that's another thing I wanted to share with you. Enjoy.